Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. In this video, I want to teach you how to solve your Rubik's Cube. So, let's go. First point, we have three types of bits in Rubik's Cube: corner, edge, and center. Which corner has three colors, and edge has two colors, and center has one color. Corner, 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 edge, 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 and center, center, center. Second point, we need four moves to solve Rubik's Cube: right, left, up, front, which R is R, R prime, L, L prime, U, U prime, F, F prime. Repeat with me: R, R prime, U, U prime, L, L prime, F, F prime. Again, R, R prime, L, L prime, F, F prime, U, U prime. First step, we need to make a white center and four white edges to form a cross. We move this edge under the center and then move it up. It placed next to the white center. There is possibility that the wrong edge will be placed. We use this algorithm for this problem: F, U prime, R, U. Then we look for the white corners and put them on top of their place and run this algorithm: R, U, R prime, U prime. It's possible that the corner will not be fixed by running the once algorithm, so we'll repeat the algorithm. If the corner is not in place, it is enough to run the algorithm only once. Third step, in this step we look for the edges that are not yellow, and then we go about their center, and based on whether they go right or left, we perform the right or left algorithm. Sometimes the edge may be placed wrongly. For this, it is enough to place the edge on the right side and perform the right algorithm. Fourth step, in this step we have to make a cross regardless of the corners. Three situations can happen: dot, L, and line. We perform the algorithm 3 times for dot, twice for L, and once for line. First step, in this step we have to make the yellow corners. For this we have an algorithm called fish. We have to do it until the fish is created. Then we put the head of the fish on the left side and repeat the fish algorithm until the yellow surface is complete. If we ran the fish algorithm and the yellow screen was not complete, we put the fish on the left side again and perform the algorithm. The sixth step. In this step, we need to find two corners of the same color and place them on the left side
and perform this algorithm. If there are no two corners of the same color, we perform the same algorithm once to create two corners of the same color. In the last step, we have to find a row of the same color and place it in the batch, and do this algorithm until the cube is complete. If there is no row of the same color, we perform this algorithm once to create a row.